Before I can replace the sensors, I have to switch off the analyzer box and disconnect it from the power grid. I open the sensor compartment cover on the rear of the instrument. In order to remove the sensor, I have to release the clip over the sensor and remove it from its fittings. I disconnect both hoses on the left and right of the sensor and remove the sensor. I then insert the new sensor into the slot and connect the sensor to the hoses. After this, I click the clip back into place. I insert a slot bridge for slots which are not equipped with a sensor. Finally, I replace and close the sensor compartment cover. After replacing the sensor, a new measurement can be carried out immediately without adjusting the sensors with test gas, as the sensors are calibrated ex works.